Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be teaching you how to make a tote bag. So let's get started. For this practice, we need our material. This is a satin material, but it's not too light. These are scissors and then tape. The first thing I'm going to do is to use my tape and measure out the desired size of the bag I want to make. For this one, I'm using length 12 inches, then the wideness is 10 inches. The next thing to do is to stitch the three sides. I'm going to leave one opening. I'm done stitching and I turned it over. As you can see, the upper part is still rough, so I'm going to fold it 2 times and then stitch. This is for the hand. The measurement is length 16 inches, the wideness 3 inches. So I'm going to fold it twice and then stitch the right hand side and the left hand side, then join it together with the bag. Our tote bag is ready. As you can see, I stitched both the right hand side and the left hand side, and then